Welcome back to Mk3 Resurrection. Do you have to open up your gas door like this? Wait a second. Oh, now you don't want to open up at all. We gotta prop that handle open, then force it open. That's because your spring right here is no longer working. I found this on actually eBay. The original part number. Let me see if I can just in the camera. All you gotta do, pull that forward, make sure that clips right there. And there you go. Now look at that part number. Got this off of eBay. Just another short video from Mk3 Resurrection. Like and subscribe and comment.